Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a channel by name in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into channels. And then tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. And then add channel by name. And here we can just type in the name of the channel that we would like to join, and yeah, then we can just proceed by tapping on join, or whatever button comes up here. Let's see, work, search, and done. We just tap on the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.